So children, in today's session we are going to learn about was and where in your page number 29. Hope you all are ready with your grammar textbook, pencil and eraser. As soon as you listen this video, you have to complete your exercise, children. So listen here. Like, is, am and are, was and where are verbs too. We use was and where to talk about a state of being in the past or give information about someone or something. So is and are, we will use it to denote the action that happens in the present. Was and where, we will use to denote the action that happens in the past. Okay, so was and where as main verbs. So how we are using was and where as main verbs? Shall we see? Saima was happy after receiving the report card. So here was is the main verb. Saima was happy after receiving the report card. We were late for our singing class yesterday. So here in this two sentence, was and were act as a main verb. Hope you're clear with it. Let's learn more about was and where. Okay. So we use was with a singular noun or pronoun. So we use was with singular noun or pronoun. Okay. Now look at the example. Was with a noun. Wasim was in the army till last year. Shalu was unhappy yesterday. The dog was hungry. Trisha was amazed at the response. Okay. Now look at here how they have used was with a pronoun. He was in the army till last year. She was unhappy yesterday. It was hungry. I was amazed at the response. Hope you're clear with it. So you have to use was when we talk about the singular noun or pronoun. Next, we use where with the plural noun or pronoun. So we use where when we talk about the plural noun or pronoun. We always use where with you. Okay? You all know, right? We always use are with you. Okay? When we talk about the action that happens in the present. When we talk about the action that denotes the past, then we have to use where with you. Whether you is used as a singular pronoun or a plural pronoun. Okay? Whether you is used as a singular pronoun or plural pronoun, you are going to use only where along with you. So look at some examples. You all know that we have to use where with a plural noun or pronoun. So we are going to see some examples how they have used where with a noun. Arnav and I were excited about the news. Always you have to write the pronoun I after the noun. You should not write I and Arnav. That is wrong. Arnav and I were excited about the news. Both Priya and Meghna were great in the play. Annie and Sanjana were classmates in class 1. Now look at how they have used where with a pronoun. We were excited about the news. You both were great in the play. They were classmates in class 1. Hope you're clear with it. So children, let's see how was and where are used as helping verbs apart from the main verbs. Okay. So they help the main verbs in the ing form. Who helped the main verbs in the ing form? Was and where. Now look at the example. Fiza was studying till 6 o'clock last evening. Here study is the main verb. Okay. We have added ing to the main verb. Yes. And was supports the main verb. They were playing snakes and ladders at 9:30 p.m. Play is the main verb. We have added ing. Okay. Now, where helps the main verb in this sentence. These sentences talk about actions that were happening at a particular point in time in the past. Note that each sentence above has two verbs, a helping verb and a main verb. Which is the helping verb? In the first one, was. Main verb, studying. Okay, similarly in the second sentence, where is the helping verb and playing is the main verb. Hope you're clear. So children, let me explain the exercise. Okay, so look at the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with was or where. One has been done for you. I have already told you that is, am and are the helping verbs. Okay, or we will use it as the main verbs. Okay, only when we talk about the actions that happens in the present. Okay, now here we are learning about the was and where. Okay, which we will use it as main verb and also in some sentence as helping verb. Okay, but when we talk about the actions that had already happened. Now look at here. The first one, we dash in Goa in June last year. We have written where. Okay, why? Because we are talking about the plural pronoun. Next, I dash unwell yesterday. Children, we should not write am. Okay, because we are talking about the past tense. Okay, the action that happened in past tense. So we have to write was. I was unwell yesterday. Okay, next, look at the exercise B. They have asked us to complete the sentence with there was or there were. Okay, so look at here. Dash someone at the door just a while ago. There was someone at the door just a while ago. Why we have used was? Because here in the sentence we can understand from someone that we are talking about one single person. Okay, dash about 20 guests at our house last Sunday. So we have written there where. Why? From the sentence, from the word 20 guests, we can understand that we are talking about the plural noun. Okay, so we have written there where. Similarly, you have to do the rest of the questions on your own. Okay, which is given in page number 31. So children, let's see the exercise C in page number 31. Fill in the blanks with was or where and the ing form of the verb in brackets. One has been done for you. Okay, so they have asked us to add ing to the main verb which is given in the bracket, and then we have to add the correct suitable helping verb. Okay, now see the first one which was already done. I dash cross. Okay, cross the main verb which is given in the bracket. The bridge when I spotted a deer in the distance. I. Okay, it's a singular pronoun. So we have added was as a helping verb. I was cross. Take and write the main verb and you have to add ing. I was crossing the bridge when I spotted a deer in the distance. Now see the second one. Sahil. Okay, Sahil is a single noun. Okay, single person. So what helping verb you have to write? Very good. Was. Then you have to write the main verb. Water. Then what you have to do? You have to add ing to the main verb. So Sahil was watering the plants when Mehul saw him. Similarly, you have to do the rest. Hope you are clear, children. Thank you.